how to create private channel on Telegram. So if you want to create a private channel on Telegram, then what you need to do is head over to your Telegram application at first. Make sure that you have a stable internet connection. Now you just need to simply go with the plus or the pencil shaped icon which is on the bottom right, and go with new channel. Tap on create channel which is on the bottom, and then give a channel name. Go with the description. Go with the tick which is on the top right. Now you can go with a public channel or a private channel. Go and select your channel type. I'll just simply go and select a private channel. And once you have your invite link, you can copy the link or share that link to your friends. Go with share and then share it with any other person. Go with send. Now that's it. Go with the tick which is on the top right. Add some people to your channel. Go with the arrow which will be on the right side. And that's it. Send invite through link. And in this way, you'll be able to create private channel on Telegram. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.